Tremendous advancement in how we manage construction. I hope to never have to go back to the old way ever again.
The transformation has been unreal, going from having to take 5 or 10 clicks just to get to the pages that you want. Now it's 2 or 3 super fast, super easy clicks, all very visual. You can see exactly what you're trying to click. Back in the past it was all text, and now having the pictures on there, it just makes it a lot easier, a lot faster.
There's 3 components to the system. There's SharePoint, which stores documents. There's Bluebeam that processes and annotates the documents. And then we developed a visual, intuitive user interface, which helps the user navigate through the different areas of SharePoint without having to deal with the entire site all at once.
SharePoint program that we have on the site, and it gives me pretty much all of the job site information I need on a single site that I can get to fairly quickly.
And with our tablet, it makes it so much easier in the field. You click 2 times and now I can review the weather barrier submittal for my contractors. Also use it for RFIs all the time. Downloading the RFI log makes it so much faster when you're out in the field on the tablet to search an RFI. You click it and in 5 seconds you have the RFI up. In the plans is super critical. When you're looking at plans with RFIs, you see it. You see the tag of the RFI and you say, okay, well, I see the description of the RFI, what exactly does it say? You click on that tag and you're instantly to the RFI, and that is invaluable.
But the features that we use is anytime there's a discrepancy with interacting with our foremans, inspectors, we can come on the screen and we can go from prints to RFIs to bulletins to anything and see what the most current document is, and we can verify that we're building it correctly.
Self-explanatory. When you access the front page of it, it gives you all the direction of where to go and how to find stuff, and even for some of the old school guys like myself to be able to get involved with it easily.
Instantaneous, up to date. It's absolutely invaluable.
RFI submittals, and so as a newcomer to the project, it allowed me to quickly get a current status of the project.
What we have gone through has been just a huge success for us. Being able to go through the drawings and do everything digitally within the SharePoint system and updates, date drawings, update RFIs, being able to link RFIs and drawings together, and just making it more of a fluid type system, and combining both Bluebeam as well.
To see these buttons very quickly going, bam, drawing spec. It's a very simple way. I mean, it's very intuitive. I think even none of the subs have even had any problems using it. Everyone seems it's very easy to navigate.
Oh, it's very easy. When I kick off my new subs, I just make sure, hey, have you got the password? Okay, click around, you'll find it. I don't have to sit there and explain how to find anything. Big buttons, easy. A lot of template forms in there that our wonderful engineering staff have uploaded. Blank forms for lead, polls for lead. Same thing with the safety program. There's safety templates, IIPP templates.
One of the biggest achievements as far as lean construction is concerned was creating value for the customer. Now everyone is able to access the most current project documents from anywhere at any time.
Construction people are visual, and they like pictures and they like graphics, and so we developed this to fit their cognitive style.
The SharePoint that we have here is they've dumbed it down for us older inspectors and made nice little icons so I can find what I need to very easily.
That allows not just Turner folks, subcontractors, owners, architects, anyone associated with the project to easily navigate through all the documents for the entire project and find what they need and be absolutely up to date with everything they're looking at, which is just, again, a tremendous achievement.
There's been a lot of improvement in just the interface of the actual site. It makes it easier to navigate, and for me, since I'm in there all the time, that's really helpful. I just know where I'm going and can get to documents easily and make sure that they're uploaded in the right space.
This has helped me considerably in the way about how efficient I can work out here in the field. Having all the documents, the document you can think about that you need on the job site, you got it right here.
Also in the field, they have access to the submittals. Because this is a design-build job, there are some portions that are even design-build or design-assist by the trade contractors. They in turn can look at their own submittal and drill down in those to make sure that they are actually putting the right details in place in the field along with the contract drawings.
Not only does the new user interface is more friendly, but it also there's also been search features added into it. Before you could only search for RFIs by RFI number. Now you can actually put in keywords. Use it like kind of like a Google search engine, which we're all familiar with and use on a daily basis.
You type in the word, and the computer takes you there, and a couple of clicks, and you've got the information you need.
A lot of the guys out there are actually using tablets or have the technology in the field to access SharePoint and access all our current field issued documents, RFIs, everything. Proof submittals, they don't have to go to their boss or go to their office to get some documentation like that. It's right there for them in the field.
Instructions evolved, from piece of paper writing to having everything on a click of a button.
We're all using this. As a matter of fact, I've got it on my phone. Our general manager in San Diego has it on his iPad. People can use this program to not only project, but show off the project. And there's animations and renderings of what the final product is supposed to look like. So yeah, it accomplishes some great marketing.
And it adds quality to the owner, because we're doing things right the first time. The owner knows where to find everything.
It's with this kind of volume, it's indispensable, in my opinion.
We can get this on all projects in the future because it's definitely a benefit.
But it sure makes it easy to conduct business in the field.
I think it's a necessity for Turner just to incorporate this into their standard program around the country.
It really comes down to Turner looking at construction document management holistically, and the possibilities for this are endless.